A little after 7 o'clock. We just had a shower. Go through. I guess we're staying put. Well, it's 8:30. I'm finally having breakfast. Under the tarp, of course. Looks like this is going to be a tarp and tent day. Supposed to be showers, but so far, once it started, it's been going. Now it did come down real heavily for a little while. Now it's very heavy. Now it's heavy and steady. Sam's right down by my chair here, huddled up in his blanket. A little bit damp down there, but not too bad. Getting a lot of water running through the tarp area is the problem. Checked the tent a little while ago. It's doing well. No ponding going on over there, thankfully. So even after that heavy downpour. So yeah, we're staying put today. Not going to be too exciting a day, and not probably going to be too exciting a video. Sorry to say. Hopefully we get some breaks in the rain today. I can do something. It is supposed to be clear tonight, so maybe by this evening it'll clear down a little bit. And maybe I can get out and do an evening paddle. Who knows? But for now, it's hanging tight, staying as dry as possible. Yeah. So we'll talk to you later. About 11:15. I was going to go and do some macro photography. There's lots of mushrooms around here, things like that. But Sam had other ideas. He wanted to, he was ready for a cuddle. So We'll cuddle for a little while. Plenty of time today. There are still supposed to be showers off and on all day, so I'll have to do whatever in between showers, but for now it's just dripping. No rain. A little bit of wind, not much. Last report I heard on the radio, it was 63 degrees in Ely. It's supposed to be a high of 70 today, but I don't know if it's going to make it. Next couple of days, the temperatures are supposed to stay in the 60s. So, a couple of cool days ahead, but dry and sunny. So that'll be nice. I'll take 60s if it's going to be sunny with it. Well, I just had lunch. I should have filmed it. Sorry. Usual tuna fish salad on tortilla. The sun came out briefly, so I quick grabbed my camera, and of course it disappeared just as quickly as that happened. But had a couple of brief moments of sunshine, a couple of slight showers go through. Nothing major. Sam is actually up and venturing around now after a nice long hour-long cuddle. He's poking around now, getting active. So I think I'm going to grab the camera and go and see about getting some macro shots. Another brief moment of sunshine. Just had 2 canoes, I think 5 people paddle past. First people I've seen all day. Got chased back into the underneath the tarp by a brief shower. Didn't know how long it was going to last, so I bustled down to the tarp, and by the time I got down here, it was pretty much done. You enjoying that little bit of sunshine, Sam? You really like sunshine, don't you? And here we go again. As we eased up, just as I turned the camera on. Another big shower. I think it's getting about 1:30, 2 o'clock-ish. I have to look at my watch to find out for sure. But, yeah, we got rain again. Okay, easing off again. I had one of my cameras set up to do a time-lapse. Thankfully, one of my waterproof cameras. Out down on the rock ledge. When that hits, so that should be an interesting time-lapse to watch. Raining less frequently now. Seems to be tapering off and clearing out. So we're doing Sam's favorite camp activity. Snuggling in my chair while watching the world go by. Now I had 2 more groups go by. I think one of them was going to go up and find one of the campsites up along the north shore there. They apparently had better luck than I did because they haven't come back. I had another group go by, a solo canoe and a tandem, and they spent some time trying to find the portage out of here. They finally did. It's really confusing because, like I said, the maps show this bit of land that I'm on is an island, and it's not. So it really makes it tough to navigate when the maps aren't right. Of course, I mean, that's my map. I don't know what the other ones are, and I don't know what they were using, but I know they seem to be very confused. They ran around in the bay across the way there. They ran up the arm up there, and finally they got it figured out and went down the right inlet. So, it's just gone 3 o'clock after I got done shooting pictures of all the fun guys at this campsite, and other pictures too. Had my 3 o'clock snack and pumped a little bit of water, made up some lemonade, and now it's time to just relax out here on the point until supper time. Here's a pair of loons out there, too far away to capture with this camera. A couple of loons out there kind of, I don't know, doing something, bobbing their heads, looking underwater, diving, coming up together, stuff like that. Too late in the year for them to be a mating type thing, but one thing, I've been seeing a lot of pairs of loons, but I haven't been seeing very many young ones with them. So I don't know what's happened. I hope, I know with all the rain and everything, it was flooding out some of the nests. I also know that, or I was told that the West Nile virus has started hitting the loons in the area. So, I don't know, maybe it wasn't a very good hatch this year. Of course, they only do 1 or 2 anyway, and they typically lose 1 over the course of the summer, at least 1. So it's a tough first year for them.
Eventually, it was time to start getting ready for supper. Thanks to the rain, it was tough finding a spot to get water with no debris. Supper tonight would be Mountain House noodles and chicken, another 2.5 serving entree that I'd split and repackaged in a packet gourmet bag.
Noodles and chicken.
our campsite looks like from the water. My tarp up there, kitchen area, sitting rock. Of course the tent is off to the right, back in the cedars.